The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is an advanced action camera that competes with models like the GoPro Hero 13 and DJI Osmo Action series. Key highlights include its ability to capture 8K video and robust image stabilization with options like horizon leveling. This model includes 2 levels of electronic stabilization, allowing stable shots even in high-motion scenarios. Additionally, its innovative flip-up 2.5-inch touchscreen provides a large display for framing and menu access but requires manual flipping when switching views. The Ace Pro 2 offers unique features such as gesture and voice controls, dashcam functionality, and a pre-recording mode that captures footage a few seconds before pressing record. With a 1,800 mAh battery, it delivers up to 180 minutes of recording in 4K at 30 frames per second. Although high-resolution 8K recording may lead to overheating after extended use. The device also supports USB-C charging, which can double as a power bank for other devices. The Insta360 app integration further enhances control, offering remote access, editing, and AI-driven video assembly for quick content creation. This camera stands out for users who prioritize flexibility in mounts, screen size, and image stabilization. However, some reviewers note potential quality challenges in complex settings, such as forest environments, where detail might be less defined compared to other action cameras.